Hi, I'm Nick Kenworthy, founder of Audioworthy. I talk a lot about audio quality and how the quality of your audio has a massive impact on the perceived quality of your information or product. In fact, these perceptions can go much further and influence your listeners' impressions of your brand, your intelligence, and even your credibility. Bad audio quality is widely reported as one of the most common reasons people switch off podcasts and videos. If you already know what I'm talking about, skip ahead to the examples around 1.5 minutes into this video. If you're still with me, what does good quality audio actually mean? Where is the line between good audio and bad audio? What I'm talking about is good quality audio for when you're online, your podcast, your YouTubes, your live streams, and your video chats. Today, I'm going to demonstrate 5 examples of bad quality audio so you'll be better able to notice it when you come across it. The way I see it, bad quality audio means that it's hard for your brain to process. And if it's hard for your listeners to process your podcast or video, a certain percentage of them are going to switch off sooner. And they'll be less likely to share your content with their friends, and they'll find it harder to trust you. It affects your credibility. Here are a few different examples of background noise. You're probably thinking, what's the big deal? But please remember that your brain is already hearing the noises in your current environment, where you are. If you're at home, it's your appliances or your children or your dog. If you're at work, it could be machinery. Plus, you're trying to listen to what I'm saying as well. So your podcasts and videos shouldn't have extraneous background noise. So here I am back without the background noise, and I'm sure you agree this is easier to listen to and easier for your brain to process. The next example might get a little louder, so please be prepared for that. A very common issue is people recording videos using built-in microphones on laptops or smartphones. This is what a built-in microphone sounds like. You might notice that the level has increased because built-in microphones are usually set up with automatic gain controls or automatic volume. This is what the microphone that's behind me in the video sounds like. And I'm also going to take just a few steps back from this microphone. So now I'm about 1/2 meter or a couple of feet away from the microphone. And I know that you can still hear me just fine, but this is considered bad mic technique as I'm simply too far away from this microphone.
Now this is what it sounds like when you record your microphone too hot or too loud. The recording medium can't deal with such a high level, so the peaks are clipped and the resulting recording is distorted. Listening to distorted audio causes ear fatigue and can be very tiring. And unless someone is already a big fan of your content, they are very likely to switch off when it sounds like this.
There are so many Bluetooth earbuds around these days, and for the most part, they're really nice to listen to. However, many of them don't have a nice sounding microphone. These ones are Cambridge Melamanias, and when I listen to music, they sound great. But honestly, I can't even use them for a phone call because the microphone sounds like this. There you have it. 5 examples of bad quality audio and how to spot them. If you need help with your podcast or video setup, you can find me at the links below or drop into a room on Clubhouse to chat. If you know someone that needs help with their sound or live stream setup, please tag them or share this video with them so they can get the help they need. Thanks for listening. See you next time.